Hello friends! Let's make some delicious beef and vegetable kebabs today. These juicy, flavorful kebabs are the perfect way to hide those veggies for the picky eaters in your home. Welcome to my channel. Before we get started, please hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you can always stay updated on all of my latest videos. We are going to be making our kebabs with 2 pounds of ground beef. You can substitute with any protein of your choice. To this, we are going to add 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of crushed red chilies, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of ground coriander, and we will add 2 tablespoons of ground cumin. Next, we are going to add 2 eggs and half a cup of breadcrumbs. And if you are on a low-carb diet, you can omit the breadcrumbs. 1 cup of chopped cilantro, or you can use parsley. We're going to add 1 carrot that we've grated. And I've taken 1 zucchini that I've grated up and I've squeezed out all the water. I'm also going to add half a bell pepper that I've diced up, and I'm using red, but you can use any color of your choice. I'm also going to be adding 2 green chilies. I'm going to be adding 6 scallions or green onions. So we're going to mix all of this up really well until we have combined everything into the ground beef. Do keep in mind that you can always adjust the spice level to your own taste. You can shape them into burger patties and stuff them inside buns, make sandwiches out of them. Or you can roll them up into a seekh kebab shape and make a paratha wrap. Or you can even make small meatballs for appetizers or serve it with pasta. Now we will heat up 2 tablespoons of oil on medium-high heat. And we will place our kebabs in an even layer and cook them for just 3 minutes per side. Also, I would like to mention that you can shape the kebabs and freeze them uncooked. They stay great in the freezer for up to 2 months. And you just fry them directly from the freezer. You do not have to thaw them out first. All you have to do is increase the frying time to 5 minutes per side if they are frozen. Now it is time to serve these scrumptious, healthy kebabs. Isn't this a fabulous way to add more veggies into your diet? My kids love these and they gobble them up in no time and cannot even taste the vegetables. I hope you loved this recipe and that you will try it out. Do give me some feedback in the comment section below. And now I will enjoy my plate of beef and vegetable kebabs. I will see you next time with more easy and delicious recipes. Thank you for watching.